All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my Fortress of Solitude and the show that never ends. So we have another unboxing here. We took away the signature, of course, so that we keep everyone's privacy as it is meant to be. I'd already gotten to the tape, so please, while we do all this, be so kind as to, leave a comment, tell others about the channel. If you'd be so kind, press that like button, smash the like button, actually. And by all means, subscribe. I'm going to try to get this channel moving forward with a variety of things. Artwork, drawing, art, and, of course, unboxings. And this is actually, I remember this. This was, folks, look at this. Look at this. Hard to come by. George Perez. You can see the signature right there. All right. It's Avengers JLA, the miniseries from 2004. This is issue number 4, but of course it is my favorite niche. Well, one of them anyways. I love the Universal Standard with CGC or CBCS, but my signature series. Man, I'm a big fan of George Perez. Now and forever. All right, let's put that to the side. We don't want to get, all emotional about this. This miniseries with Mr. Perez's work. I don't think I have a reader's copy. No, I do. I actually acquired these 4 as a reader's copy. They're in mint condition. I'm going to take care of them, but it's just nice to have them on hand to read them or reread them again as one would like to. Obviously, you can tell that it's not only the great George Perez's artwork, his signature, and drawn in silver in just the right places, so it stands out. You can see it at an angle. Wait, I've got a glare there. All right, folks, look at that. And Kurt Busiek's story, of course, a great Kurt Busiek, George Perez cover and art, wraparound covers. These are obviously like double-sized, 48 pages or whatever it was. Oh, my goodness. That is some George Perez goodness. I don't even want to touch the slab. But, so this is the thing. This is number 3. I just showed you number 4, and it is the whole set. It was a set that I really, you can get the set. It's not that impossible to acquire them as raws. In any given condition, it could be a 3.5 to a 9.8. But to get them in a 9.8, we have a lot of packaging here. Hold on. I'm glad that the sender did this to secure, well, for us collectors, this is the bag, to secure the bag. Hold on a second, let me make sure I got the right. This is it. We're going in reverse sequence here, of course. And that is number 2. Can you get a close-up look? Look at that, 9.8. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. Let me slide that out of its CGC holster. Wow, look at that. And again, he used a black marker here. It's appropriate for the color scheme of the cover. He knew what he was doing. I wish more creators did that instead of just randomly putting like a black ink signature on a black, deep black cover or a darkened colored part of the cover. It just doesn't blend. It blends in too deeply. So then you can't see the actual signature, and it just sucks. All you have is like a slab that states that the signature's there somewhere, and you spend like 3 hours looking for it. I hate that stuff. This sucks. All right, but these are my minor peeves when it comes to the signature series. And of course, the classic number 1 issue, George Perez. Look at my man Perez. May he rest in peace. Long live the king. Whew. Man, I should take a picture of this. Just because I love it that much. All of them were 9/8 white pages. I don't see any damages on the slabs. Mind you that I kept this under wraps for quite a while, actually, a few months, maybe longer than that. But yeah, either way, these are it. Let me double check, make sure this is all going to be recycled. Yeah, I hadn't ordered anything else. This is a lot of peanuts. We're just going to put that to the side. Try to bring what you're here for, these back into focus. Whew. Look at this. 1 and 2. And of course, 3 with silver, black to silver. And again, 2 covers in a black marker, 2 covers in a silver ink marker. Man, whew, sweet. I'm loving it. All right, great addition to the PC. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know if you like these videos to be a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. I think they're already short at 5 to 8 minutes. Leave them a comment. Let me know. I'm not really into long form videos. I know that the algorithm might prefer that, but we'll see how that rolls. For that, I'd probably just be doing some artwork and dealing with that aspect of the hobby, versus just doing a showcase of slabs and or raws that I've either saved up for a couple of weeks or months, or they just arrived, and for doing an unboxing. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this. There we go. Whew. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So please leave a comment if you care to, and if not, at the very least, just get this video out to other people. Let them know about the channel. Let them know that I do these unboxings, and I'm going to be doing some artwork as well. If they like the vibe, well, welcome aboard, and come and stay. Hit the subscribe button. Please smash that like button as well. I look forward to seeing all of you on the next one, of course. And on that note, see you then.